I was just lying by my outdoor fountain pool, getting ready for another season of Dining on a Dime. This time, we're in someplace exotic and sunny. Can you guess where? I'm getting destroyed by mosquitoes right now. They love me. I don't know what. Come, speak to me. We need you to sign a release. Can I get your email address? Oh my God. That's gnarly. That might be like NSFW. Bienvenido, ami ami.